One-on-ones can be structured in multiple ways. While some managers seem to use that time to check on progress, other managers use their one-on-ones to also assess the overall health of the employee, build rapport, coach them, and discuss their goals and aspirations. Preparing those meetings can take a bit of time. So, if you are using a whiteboard for one-on-ones, then you will get access to a few questions. In a way, it's preparing things for you. Those questions are there as examples to inspire you. It looks like this. You have space for 4 one-on-one sessions. In each, you have examples of questions here. You also can take notes here, monitor how they are feeling, and also track the status of any major tasks. You can even add tasks for yourself. At the end of the meeting, for example, you can add a task if you have to send them something, review a proposal, or get something approved. At the end of every 4 one-on-one session, summarize their performance and all the topics. This space is usually private to the manager, but some managers can decide to share it with their employee, so feel free to make changes or create your own template. Now the other option is to choose a more traditional format for one-on-ones. A one-on-one format that lets you write your notes and make them invisible for your team, while your team can also take notes in the same space. In here, for example, you have the questions you will ask or even the topics, and then you can take notes here. The unique thing about this space is that if you turn some of these steps as leaders only, the team will not be able to see your notes, while they can also take notes on their own space. Let me show you that. Click Edit and change steps to Leader Only. Now invite the team member you will be talking to during this one-on-one as a collaborator. Do that by adding them here or sharing this link. Do not invite them as leaders. Now this is what you see. You can see all questions and all notes. This is what your team will be able to see. In this case, this step where they can take notes. They can't see your questions or notes, but you have visibility on next steps and your own notes in one space. It's important that if you are adding these sessions in a project, you mark that project as private, like this. This will make sure your team can't see that project and read your notes if they are invited as team members in this workspace. If you are using the Leadership Hub, nobody on your team can access it, so you don't have to do anything else. If you are using Nova provides templates that you can adapt, so add a session. I like to add the name of the team members and the type of session. Then I select the template. In here, I can see some of the one-on-ones templates. For example, the emotional one-on-one check-in is a good one, or if I want the whiteboard option, this one is a good one too. Select it and it will be ready for you. Also remember that the best part is that you can schedule it. Add the start and due date and it will automatically add this to your calendar. In here you can access all your meetings, one-on-ones, approval requests, team surveys, team retros, and even performance reviews. All ready for you. One more tip. If you add key decisions and notes inside the conclusion section, like this, you will be able to see those from your calendar, giving you an overview of all your key notes and decisions over time.